Hi everybody, this is a review for Home Arts Premium French Press Coffee Maker. Excuse my voice, I'm a little sick today, so I'm sorry. Alright, so here I have my water, and you just want to make sure that it's perfect. You don't want to get it too boiling, otherwise you're going to scorch your coffee. So right when you start seeing the bubbles start simmering, that's when you want to stop it. So I'm going to remove it and put it right to the side. Actually, I'm going to warm up my coffee maker so that it's there. I'm going to warm up my coffee maker just to get everything going. So what you want to do is don't make too much of a mess. Just gonna dump it back in, kind of just warm it all up. And then clean up my mess. You know, whole thing. So it came with this really cool measuring spoon. So I want to put about 3 of those in my coffee maker to get the perfect roast. I have found maybe 3.5 today. Okay, so there we are. Now we can pour our water back in. Let me make sure I'm not going to make a mess. So quickly, there we go. Very smooth. And now you just fill, not smooth, fill it up. About right there. And so now you want to let it sit for about 4 minutes and let it steam up. And I like to cover it up to make sure none of the heat gets out. And let's talk a little bit about it. It's really nice. I like the fact that it's portable and you can bring it virtually anywhere, especially on camping trips. That would be one of the best places, I would think. Here, let me start my timer. So let me make sure to get the perfect roast. Here, back up here. And the design is really nice. Like, it's not so fragile. Like, I thought it was glass, but I think it's I'm not sure what kind of material that is. It's very interesting, but it's very sturdy. I've heard a bunch of reviews saying that it's one of the sturdy ones. And look, it even has a little nice design. I mean, that's very fashionable. I like it. And a little stainless steel action going on. Another thing I like about it is that it's not so big and bulky. It's just the perfect amount. It makes up to 8 cups of coffee. Probably small ones. Okay, well, pretty much what you do in a French press, you gotta wait. That's the main part. Get your water ready, get your coffee ready, and get ready for some amazing coffee, because it's so much better than brewing it, because it just is. It's just, you get all the flavors with the French press. You get the full effects of your coffee. You get to actually taste it. You get to taste all the nutty parts of your coffee. It's just really amazing. It may be a little bitter at first, but you know, I like it. I like strong coffee though. So just still waiting. See how it's foaming? It means it's doing its thing. Looking pretty yummy. Another thing I like about French press coffee, it's more personal. You know, you can have like a Sunday morning breakfast for your sweetheart and bring it to them in bed and have like a French press coffee. And it's delicious with some delicious crepes or something. Damn. You're going to be doing it good with the ladies if you get this one. Or the gentlemen's. either or. Everyone likes coffee, so I think it goes really good for anyone. But I know that we're going to be using this a lot during the camping season because we camp all the time, and all you need is it's non-electric. I mean, you don't need electricity to use this thing. All you need to do is be able to heat up some water, and I think anyone knows how to make a fire, so I think you're going to be okay. So it's been about, we're almost there. So what I'm going to do is take this off and take a look inside and see how it's all foamy and getting all crystally and just good coffee. You just gotta, see how it's gotta break it apart. I hear to do it like 3 times, not to really mix it up. Oh, that's hot. And it really keeps its heat. I was worried about that at first. It really keeps the heat. You really don't need to worry about that. So you're gonna get a freaking delicious cup of coffee. So I think we're about ready to press it and pour some coffee. So what you want to do here is just press it really lightly. You don't want to go too fast, otherwise you're going to get some on the grounds. And what you're doing is just pressing all the grounds to the very, very bottom so that you get nothing but pretty good clear coffee. Look at that. Can you tell? Good. It's hard to find a good French press coffee maker. This one so far, I'm like, very affordable. You can get it on Amazon. I'll leave the link down below so that you can easily check it out. It's definitely worth the money. Definitely worth checking out. So now we've pressed it, and let me get the coffee. Like I said, I like to camp, so I got some camping mugs here. And you just wow. Not bad. It's like a good consistency to me. Oh wow. I'm gonna have to share. Coffee for 2? Yes. That's about it. We'll have to make, it doesn't make 8 cups of coffee. I lied. I'm sorry, guys. But it's awesome. Oh yeah, that's good.